Hello guys, this is Akash Patel and you are guys watching Learn with IITM 369 Lover. Okay, so I have realized that you are guys facing some problem while doing a week 8 experiment. So I'm coming with the new circuit diagram and a proper way explanation so that you can make it without any issue. Okay, so let's get started without further delay. So this is my circuit diagram and this is my uh, 7-second display, and these below one part of the driver, adder and comparator. And if we talk about connection part, so let's get started with the comparator part first. So first of all we have to provide a supply. So for it I have connected pin 6 to the VCC and pin 8 to the ground, and then I have connected B section to the fixed point. I mean B0, B1, B2 and B3 have connected with the fixed point 1001. Okay, and if I'm talking about input A less than B, A is equal to B, input A greater than B. So this part, I mean pin 2, 3, 4, I have fixed that part also, so that comparator work properly and provide best outcome. I have connected pin 2, pin 3, pin 4, 0, 1, 0. Okay. Now come to the section A part of the comparator. So as you can see that I have connected A0 to A3 part to the adder section. Note that point. I have connected comparator part A0 to A3 to the adder, same thing to the adder B1 to B4. And as you can see that I have connected comparator output part, I mean put of A greater than B section to the adder part, pin 8 and 3, I mean A2 to A3. I have connected both pin to the one wire. So our comparator part has been completed. Let's move further to the adder part. So as you can see that I have connected B1 to B4 part with the help of a comparator, as you are able to see it. Okay, now come to the A part. I have connected A1 and A4 to the ground, I mean 0, 0, and A2, A3 has been connected to the output of the comparator as was seen previously. Okay, and obviously we have to provide VCC and ground for adding properly, and also make sure that your pin number 3 has been connected with the ground, so that pin number 3, I mean C0, means counting 0 should be 0. It not should be the toggling state or the floating point state. Okay, so you have to fix pin 13 with the ground also. Okay, in adder section, if we talk about sigma 1, sigma 2, sigma 3, sigma 4, these are the output of the adder. So let's take the output of the adder, I mean sigma 1 and sigma 2, sigma 3 and sigma 4, and same thing just connected to the driver, to the LSB to MSB, like sigma 1 connected with the A section of the driver and sigma 2 connected with the B section of the driver, and similarly sigma 3, sigma 4 has been connected C and D section, which is represent input in the driver section. Okay, so now we have come to the driver part. So as you can see that I have connected output of the adder to the driver ABCD section, and let's provide the ground and VCC to the driver for operating the properly. So now let's take the output of the driver, I mean ABCDEFG section, and just to provide same to the 7-second display, and you have to provide a VCC to the 7-second display for operating. Now this whole circuit part has been completed. Now let's come to the working part of that circuit. So let's provide the input to the comparator. So how you will provide the input to the comparator? For it you have to connect A0, A2, A0, A1, A2 and A3 to the input. I mean these A section of the comparator part is treated as an input, so connect that part, A0 your LSB and A3 your MSB part. If you want to provide 0, then you have to connect A0, A2, A1, A2, A3 to the 0, 0, 0, so that it will display 0 on the display. And I have provided a VCC, I mean power supply, to the alarm kit, so let's connect with it. So yeah, you can see that the display section showing zeros part, it means our circuit is working properly. So let's vary the input. So I have a provide 001, so it will count 1. Now I have provided 0010. It will count to. Similarly, all the things. You can see our circuit is working properly. Now let's automate this process with the help of our uh, counter 74163, which we have used week 6 experiment to for counting 0 to 15 with the help of LED. So let's automate this process with the help of this counter IC. Let's see. First, you can see that I have provided VCC and ground to that IC so that it will operate first of all. Okay, I mean you have to connect pin 2, sorry, pin 1, pin 7, pin 9, pin 10 to the VCC so that it will operate, it will work properly. So you have to take output of that IC 163. I mean Q1, Q2, QA, QB, QC, QD. You have to take output of this IC and just faded comparator part to the A0, A2, A3, A3. I mean A section of that comparator part. Hope you will understand. And you can provide clock pulse, I mean pin 2 with the help of Arduino, yeah, or you can provide with the help of 555 IC. You have to provide only clock pulse to the pin number 2 so that it will count. In my case, I have used Arduino to provide the clock pulse. You can provide with the help of 555 IC or Adalma kit also. So yeah, you can see that our week 8 experiment has been completed properly. Thanks for watching, and please support me also. Do subscribe.